Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Find the kth character in string game 1. So, Alice and Bob are playing a game. Initially, Alice has a string word is equal to a. That means we have only one character in the string. You are given a positive integer k. Now, Bob will ask Alice to perform the following operation forever. Generate a new string by changing each character in word to its next character in the English alphabet and append it to the original word. That means for A, the next character would be B, and if I append it, it would be AB, right? And for this string, it would be BC, and if I append it, it would be ABBC. Now, they given the same thing. For example, performing the operation on C generates CD. Performing on ZB generates ZBAC. Return the value of the kth character in the word after enough operations have been done for word to have at least k characters. Note that the character Z can be changed to a in the operation. So we are given with k is equal to 5. Now the initial string will be a, and if I change it, the string is changed to the next character ab. Now if this string is changed to the next character, it would be abbc. So here I am given with 5, but the string size is just 4. 1 2 3 4. So what I need to do is do this operation once again. A B B C. For A it would be B, for B it would be C, and for C it would be D. So 1 2 3 4 5, which is nothing but 0 1 2 3 4. So the fourth character will be returned as the output. Now for k is equal to 10, we'll use the same thing again, right? So do the operation once again. I am just copying from the uh, above one. Now for a it would be b, for b it would be c, for c it would be d, for b again it would be c, for c it would be d, and for d it would be e. So the 10th character will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, which is nothing but 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So if I ask you with the 12th character, which is nothing but 11, right? So for this C, I got this C from the B, and this B I got it from A. So totally I have some operations, but everything has come from A. But if I just add the number of characters that I need, just 2, right? For imagine I just need the 12th character, which is nothing but 12 minus 1, 11, 9, 10, 11, which is 11. So if I add 3 characters, the third character, right, after A, if I add 3, it would be D. So how do I get this 3? Now k minus 1 is 11. If I represent this 11 in binary representation, 1 0 1 1 will be the binary representation. Now the number of characters, the number of set bits in this binary representation are 3. So if I just add 3 to the A, then I would get the D. So the algorithm will be first we'll be starting with built-in pop count, which is inbuilt function in C++. Built-in pop count k minus 1, count is equal to built-in pop count k minus 1, and we'll be returning a plus count. So this is how you solve this problem, and if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.